What's going on YouTube? Today I'm doing a Mohican. Let's start. I'll start with my first guideline. My brother just want little bit skin on the sides. So I start with my first guideline. I use my Babyliss Pro. Very good clipper as well. That's my first guideline. Do my Mohican. Now I'm ready for the blend. Always clean the clipper, guys. Disinfect the clipper all the time. Now number 4, open. Guard open. That's the big guard I'm gonna use for this Mohican. Number 4 guard. I'm flicking the hair up to blend to the top. Number 4 guard open. Both sides. Number 4 open. Still number 4 open. Now is number 3 guard. Still open. Try to connect number 3 to number 4. Now I'm using number 3 guard, guys. I hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Now it's close to connect the number 3 to number 4. Now it's number 2 guard. Still open. Always brush the hair to see what you are doing. Number 3 open to connect to number 4. Now number 1.5 guard. Still open. Now I go to my fade now. 0 guard open to fade. This is 0 guard. Open, fade. Now it's close. Try to take off the line. Half open. Yes guys, now I'm going to my half guard open. This is my half guard open. Now half open. If you want half close, the half guard. Don't go too much up, just on the line. Now fully closed. Half guard, fully closed. Now you can see the face coming out. Now I'm going back to number 2 guard. Before I jump to number 3 to number 1.5, now I use my number 2 to blend detail work. Now I use my wall super clipper close to have more skin, to have the transition between the skin and the fade. Go back with my Babyliss Pro effect to blend it. Always go back for the detail job. No guard, open to blend it out. Detail job. Some more detail. The same process is this size as well. I'm doing the same thing. So I'm gonna use my number 4 open, number 3 close open, yeah, number 3 still open, like down size. The same process. Number 3 open, this is number 2 open still, and now 1.5 open still, one and a half open. Now I'm close it, ready. Now number 1 guard open. That's number one guard I'm using now, guys. Open, still open. Now it's close to blend. Now I start my blending. 0 guard open. Not go too much up, just small. 0 guard open. You know the process for the blending, guys. The same thing I do all the time. Now half guard open to connect to number 1. Now I'm gonna try to connect my fade to the back to get to get the nice Mohican my brother wants. Now I'm connecting the fade to the back to get the crispy, nice Mohican, guys. I'm using my number 2 guard open, both sides. I use the corner of the clipper, like you can see. Yeah, that's a comb technique. The clipper, I'm doing it. That's comb technique. See, corner of the clipper. Number 1.5 guard open. 1.5 guard open. It was 2 1.5. The same thing to other size. 1.5 open, and after I'm gonna close it slowly, gradually to blend it properly. Now my half guard open to have some full blend. Now wet the hair. After wet the hair, now I need to cut it. My brother say just one little bit on touch the top shot, just a little bit, and I want everywhere the same level. So I'm gonna cut like 3/8 inch, just tiny bit, and I'm gonna make all the hair the same level with my scissors comb technique. Scissors comb. I'm leveling the top. I make them all level, all the same level everywhere to the back. That's what my brother wants. See, I'm connecting this size as well. See, not too much, just a little bit. And I'm trying to make them all the same level. I'm doing it until to the back. All have to be the same level. That's why we do YouTube. Take your time, slowly. Now I trim the beard with my 1.5 guard. You still want some beard, so I just trim it a bit. 1.5 guard. Open. Zero guard. Open. To connect the beard to the skin, to the fade. Close. I'm connecting the beard to the skin. 1 guard. Close. After close, open. Because it was number 1.5. Now do my shape up. Not too much shape up, just a little bit. Just touch it a bit to give you some nice face. And now shape the beard as well. You still want the beard to be wider. You want the beard wider. So I take it a bit wider. Now I shave my back as well to get my nice Mohican. Yeah. Shave the back as well. And try to finish with my blade technique to get some crispy shape up. That's the job done, guys. Before, after. That's how you look like. Mohican. Thank you guys to watch it. See you next time.